Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. We're doing an experiment, so I thought I would do a quick video to document it. This is the Caterpillar locomotive, that battery-operated locomotive that I got, I don't know, several months ago. Did a lot of experiments with it and did a quick measurement and discovered that it was virtually the same size as Lionel 8351 diesel locomotive. So rather than trying to put a motor in this Caterpillar, I just pulled the Caterpillar locomotive apart and put the shell on the chassis for the 8351 Lionel, and this is the result. Now, if I can get this to fit well, I might go ahead and do the swap. Just depends on what the end result is. I've got it, the shell held on with a piece of black tape right now. This is actually its first trip around the rail. So taking it off its chassis really reduced its size. So it's almost to scale, and it's definitely unique. So if I can get that chassis to actually fit that shell, like I said, I might go ahead and modify this and actually put it on there. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of the first test of this Caterpillar shell fitted to the 8351 Lionel chassis. As you see, it makes for a really decent looking locomotive, no doubt. It's unique, it's one of a kind. It runs forward and reverse. It's Lionel, just with a different shell. For right now, held on with a piece of tape. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video to document this. As you see, it actually doesn't look bad. It just depends on how well I can fit it to this chassis. But it's interesting. I can hook the light up on top, take the light off the chassis. You see it's kind of lighting up the inside of the cab, or the shell, and actually add an outside headlight to it. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video to document the experiment. It's interesting, it looks nice, that's for sure. Like I said, if I can get this to fit on there, I might just go ahead and swap out this shell. And then I could just swap between the 8351 shell or this Caterpillar shell. Anyway, I thought it was an interesting experiment, so I wanted to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.